guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do 3 easy Halloween treats. For the first recipe, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a Halloween themed fruit punch. This recipe is very simple. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a latex glove and I'm gonna fill it up with water and I'm gonna put it in the freezer for about 2 hours. So I ended up getting this cute little drinking glass from Party City, and I think it was like $4. So this is what I'm gonna be using to put my fruit punch. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm gonna fill this up with water. Okay, for the flavor, we're gonna be using some cherry Kool-Aid. You guys could even add some alcohol in your drink if you guys want. I'm gonna be using this one for mine. So I got these eyeballs from Spirit Halloween. I'm gonna pour them into my fruit punch. For the next recipe, these are all the ingredients that I'm going to be using. Okay, so now we're gonna be double boiling our chocolate so that way it doesn't burn. And then for this, we're using some white chocolate. So now, once your chocolate is all melted and it looks like this, we're gonna add some green food coloring. But it's all melted. I put it in my cup so that way it's easier to dip them in there. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab a pretzel stick and you're gonna dip it in there. So once you do that, the last thing that I'm going to do for the fingernail is I'm going to be using some almonds. For this last recipe, I went ahead and bought some pre-made cupcakes, and I'm going to be decorating them with some candy eyeballs and some red food gel. All I'm doing for this is placing an eyeball in the middle of each cupcake. Then taking the food gel to make it seem like blood. I repeat this process for the rest of the cupcakes. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. It's okay to be messy. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.